fast food, grilled chicken sandwich. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and black pepper to taste, 4 slices of whole grain bread, 1 avocado, sliced, 1 large tomato, sliced, lettuce leaves, mustard, mayonnaise, or your favorite sandwich spread. Instructions: preheat a grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. In a small bowl, mix the olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, and black pepper to create a marinade. Brush both sides of the chicken breasts with the marinade, and place them on the grill. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes per side, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. While the chicken is cooking, toast the bread slices in a toaster or on a separate grill or pan. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing it into thin pieces. To assemble the sandwich, spread mustard, mayonnaise, or your favorite sandwich spread on one side of each toast slice. Then, layer the lettuce, sliced avocado, tomato slices, and grilled chicken on one slice of toast, top with the other slice of toast. Serve your grilled chicken sandwich immediately, and enjoy your delicious and healthy meal.